What's up, guys? Pardon me again. Round 2 of the muffler install with a couple other things. So my buddy Ryan right now is helping me jack up the car because I currently cannot do any heavy lifting, and we are going to install this V1 muffler today along with some Hawk performance track pads. So I only really got to do one thing with the car last year, and I was using some StopTech street pads because I wasn't really that well prepared. 3 laps in, brakes were completely useless. So those pads are going to be a huge help. So we got it up on jack stands, and we are going to start taking the rear wheels off and get the muffler off. So we're going to get to it. That there. Oh yeah, KW V3 is looking good still. StopTech rotors. Okie dokie, let's go get the track pads. Okay, so update. Hangers are on the new muffler. Old muffler, put it in the garage, get it out of the way. We had to disconnect the shock because the KWs have a reservoir to be able to get at the rear caliper pins. And next is the track pads going in. I had to do a quick run for hardware on the muffler. Former shop from a couple years ago used some cheap hardware, so we snapped 2 bolts. That's normal, car's 18 years old, but still annoying because the BMW bolts came out just fine. So we will get the new Hawk Performance track pads in the rear, button everything up, and get this new Status Group V1 muffler in just in time for tomorrow's Hooked on Driving track event at Pocono. All right, we'll rejoin the action when we're getting the muffler all buttoned up. Okay, so we got the Status Group V1 muffler in. It was a bit of a pain in the ass. I think it's mostly just because this DTM Fiberworks diffuser is, I'll be honest, it's garbage. So anyone who thinks about buying one of these, DTM Fiberworks is a no. We had to put 8 washers underneath this hanger to get this even just still contacting it like that. So it's just what it is. I don't recommend it. We wrestled with it for a good half hour, but you know, the 83mm tips look awesome. I'm just very excited to go back to a Status Group CSL rear diffuser because their fitment is so much better. But we're gonna start it up in a little bit. I had to go do a quick errand last minute, so Ryan, being the champion that he is, finished up the rear end for the brakes from Hawk Performance, got the front track pads in, and now Ryan, you're working on the last one?
Making the last one set up,
and then we'll be good to go,
and we'll be good for the test ride.
Sweet. School bus brakes coming right up, squeak through the whole neighborhood. But next up, startup. Okay, so the car is ready for Hooked on Driving tomorrow at Pocono. The track pads from Hawk Performance are in the front and the rear, and the new V1 Status Group muffler is in. So let's hear how it sounds. Ryan? That'll do it. See you tomorrow at Pocono. Later, guys.